Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful modern swimming pool designs and tips and guide for designing best swimming pool for fun and relaxation ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As the weather warms up, homeowners across the country are getting ready to make a splash with their backyard swimming pools. But beyond the fun and relaxation that comes with pool ownership, there's an art to designing the perfect pool. In this video, we'll explore the world of swimming pool design and provide you with everything you need to know to create your own backyard oasis. How do you design a swimming pool? Designing a swimming pool is a complex process that requires careful consideration of a variety of factors. First and foremost, you'll need to think about the size and shape of your pool, as well as any additional features you want to include, such as waterfalls, spas, or slides. It's also important to consider the overall aesthetic of your backyard and how the pool will fit into the space. One key consideration when designing a pool is the type of materials you want to use. From traditional concrete and fiberglass to more modern options like vinyl and natural stone, there are a variety of materials to choose from. Additionally, you'll need to decide on the type of filtration and heating systems you want to install, as well as any lighting or automation features. What is the standard size of swimming pool? When it comes to pool size, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The size of your pool will depend on a variety of factors, including the size of your backyard, your budget, and how you plan to use the pool. That being said, there are some standard pool sizes that are commonly used in residential settings. The most common pool sizes are small, 10 feet by 20 feet, medium, 14 feet by 28 feet, large, 18 feet by 36 feet. Of course, you can always customize the size of your pool to fit your specific needs and preferences. How do you plan a pool design? Planning a pool design involves several steps. First, you'll need to consider your budget and determine how much you can afford to spend on your pool. From there, you'll need to work with a pool designer or contractor to develop a design that fits your needs and preferences. During the planning process, it's important to think about the overall layout of your backyard and how the pool will fit into the space. You'll also need to consider any safety features you want to include, such as fencing or pool covers. Which shape of swimming pool is best? The shape of your pool will depend on a variety of factors, including the size of your backyard, your budget, and your personal preferences. That being said, there are some shapes that are more popular than others. The most common pool shapes include 1. Rectangular, 2. Freeform, 3. Kidney-shaped, 4. L-shaped, 5. Circular. When choosing a pool shape, it's important to consider the overall aesthetic of your backyard and how the pool will fit into the space. Here, these are the top 10 best swimming pool design ideas. 1. Infinity edge. Create the illusion of an endless pool with an infinity edge design. 2. Natural stone. Add a touch of natural beauty to your backyard with a natural stone pool. 3. Geometric shapes. Give your backyard a modern edge with a pool featuring geometric shapes. 4. Waterfalls. Incorporate the relaxing sound of flowing water into your pool design with a waterfall feature. 5. Beach entry. Create a gradual slope into your pool with a beach entry design. 6. Pool with a view. Take advantage of a beautiful view with a pool design that overlooks the surrounding landscape. 7. Minimalist design. Keep it simple and sleek with a minimalist pool design that blends seamlessly into the surrounding environment. 8. Mediterranean style. Add a touch of elegance to your backyard with a Mediterranean-style pool design featuring colorful tiles and intricate detailing. 9. Lap pool. If you're an avid swimmer, consider a lap pool design that's long and narrow to accommodate your workout routine. 10. Tropical oasis. Transform your backyard into a tropical oasis with a pool design featuring lush greenery, palm trees, and waterfalls. Swimming pool design is a true art form, requiring careful consideration of a variety of factors to create the perfect backyard oasis. Whether you're looking for a simple and sleek design or a more elaborate tropical oasis, there's a pool design out there that's right for you. With the right planning and design expertise, you can transform your backyard into a luxurious resort-style retreat that you'll enjoy for years to come. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful modern swimming pool design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.